What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a quick video on this ROG Ally case that I bought from AliExpress, and I've seen a few people actually buy this. Anyway, first impressions is that it is actually quite wider than I thought it would be. So let me just do a quick comparison with the Steam Deck official carry case. And as you can see, it is pretty much the same length. Now, one of the reasons I bought the ROG Ally is because it is slightly smaller than the Steam Deck. And again, let's have a quick look at these sizes. And as you can see, you can definitely notice that it is a lot larger than the ROG Ally. Anyway, let's just take a quick look. So it's a double zip case. You've got the two protruding parts here because of the ROG Ally grips. So yeah, you've got a zip here so you can put a few accessories like your charging cables and stuff. And then you've got this flap here where you can put loads of micro SD cards. But let's just see how that fits here. So as you can see, it does fit in, but there's a considerable gap here. So it's not a snug fit. And then next, you know, the Velcro, it doesn't really stick on. This is probably the main important thing about this case. It just doesn't stick on, and I don't think that's good at all. So yeah, I mean, unless you want to keep your ROG Ally like this, if you do open it accidentally, your console is just going to fall out of place. But yeah, I mean, I can't really recommend this case at all. I mean, at the time it cost me about £10, and it did come with two tempered glasses. That was one of the reasons I bought it. But other than that, I can't really recommend this case. It's not secure at all. So if you do manage to find this, you'd probably find it on Amazon, eBay, as well as AliExpress. Obviously, don't get it if you want your ROG Ally to be secure. So what I'm going to do is actually return this and get my money back. So yeah, that does it for this quick video. I will have more videos coming up on the ROG Ally. Subscribe if you are new. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.